Masters and dear guests.
Good evening.
I'm really happy. I'm really happy to give my happy to join the Aravana Toastmasters Club for giving my first speech today. I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Nagraj Hekar. I'm basically from Bhatkal, so which is one of the cities in Karnataka. I'm working for Aravana Consulting Private Limited as a senior software engineer. Talking about my family, my father is a farmer and businessman. As a farmer, he takes care of whole India. My mother is a homemaker. I have one younger sister. She is working as an accountant. Let me tell some few things about my education. Start with HPS Konar School, which is located in Konar village. And I have done my diploma in RMS Polytechnic Murdeshwar. There is a sweet story behind for selecting diploma course. I don't know whether it's a sweet or not. The story starts with, I went with my father to join PU college. But the principal told that I am not eligible to join as my SLC percentage is below the eligibility. I was very happy because I don't want to do any further education, as that's what I decided. But my father, my hero, forced me to do diploma. I failed 2 times. 2 times I failed to take a revenge on that person. After that, I was very happy because of that revenge I achieved. After that, I studied seriously and I completed diploma. Then, talking about my hobby, my favorite hobby is spending time with my family. And apart from diploma, I have done junior and senior courses in Hindustani classical musicals. After that, I didn't get any opportunity to do further courses in musicals. Then after diploma, just I started my IT career with IT industry in Bangalore. This is about me. I want to tell something like because of this theme I realized, enjoy your own life without comparing it with that of another. Why I am realizing this? Because when I was in school days, I was getting less marks, around 60%, 50% each time. So I was just thinking the higher person who is taking 80, 89, 90. Just I am comparing with him. I was started comparing what he is doing, where he is going, what time he is studying, what exactly he is doing in school and all. I was fully worried about how I can improve. Like each day I was comparing with him. I was simply observing whatever he was doing. I was also trying to do same. But at last, nothing happened. So at least previously I was getting 60%, 65%. After observing and after started comparing with him, I got 45, 50. Then I stopped. That's what I realized. Don't compare with anyone. Please compare yourself and be smile always. And with this, I am going to tell one small story which I got impression. One guy, he was just walking and he was passing one elephant. Suddenly he stopped and got confused. The reason is, the elephants, they were just standing, they were not at all get away from the rope which is tagged in front leg. So man was get confused why these elephants, they are too big but still they were not get away from that rope. Then he saw one trainer in front of that and he asked him what is the reason. And the trainer told, when they were young and too small, this rope we used to tie them and it was enough to hold them. As they grow up, they believe that still that rope is holding us and we cannot escape from them. As same as, so they cannot, they are thinking we cannot escape. As same of elephants, so many of us still believe that the things which we face, like one time we failed in the things, we will think that we cannot do anything with that things. So don't believe on that. Always be smile. Keep trying. That's it. Thank you.
So what a lovely story that was. Toastmaster Nagraj. It was inspirational, absolutely. And now I'd like to call upon Toastmaster Kavi.